All right, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I've done a vlog. I'm in the middle of a 9-hour trip from where I live at Illinois to Pittsburgh. In Ohio, it's the halfway point, so I got 4 hours before I get home and stuff. But I found this place. It's called the Rap Roadhouse, and it's a biker place that's really freaking nice here in Ohio. I'm really surprised by it. Beautiful people. So yeah, we're going to show you what they all got around here. Hope I don't get a copyright strike. They got parking right here for bikes, which is pretty cool. And you know, I'm from Illinois, but being around here from Ohio, they really like the motorcycles. See, got a whole bunch of bikes coming in. Beautiful Harleys, got a K&N and stuff. Still not as nice as my Indian. But yeah, that's the name of the place right there, the Rap Roadhouse at the Flats. So this is the inside and stuff. They got a cool, oh my gosh, they got a vintage Indian right there. And got a custom bike right there. And of course, I guess they must be really big with the LGBTQ, because you got a damn Harley thing over here. Also, they got this cool wall here. It's got all this knick-knack stuff. They have a stage over here, and they got a big open area out there where they got another stage. They got 2 stages. Why can't we have something like this close to where I live at, you know? I'm 50 minutes from downtown St. Louis and stuff. I love riding out in Missouri, and I can't think of any place that we have like this. I just had the food. The food was completely delicious. So, and they got gorgeous outdoor seating and stuff. Got an outdoor bar. I bet they have a lot of cool bike stuff that goes on here during the summer. Just sucks out. I'm just finding out about now, but it's August. That's pretty crazy. They got another outdoor bar behind me. And you can't tell me this place doesn't get crazy, because they got another bar over here, and they got another platform over there for another band.